Every year, millions of cars reach the end of the road. But for us, this is just the beginning.
Welcome to the ultimate transformation. From discarded junk to the world's strongest steel.
The process begins at the scrapyard, where millions of vehicles are condensed into high-density steel blocks.
Every ton is measured. We need absolute consistency for the smelting phase later on.
This is the heart of the pre-processing unit, the Mega Shredder, a beast designed for destruction.
Powerful electromagnets ensure that only pure ferrous metal moves forward, leaving contaminants behind.
Real-time chemical analysis tells us exactly what alloys we're dealing with. Every fragment is scanned for perfection.
Now, millions of dollars worth of recycled steel faces the 3,000-degree fire. The transformation begins.
The furnace is the heart of the transformation, reaching temperatures hotter than lava. Millions of watts of electricity surge through these graphite electrodes, creating a sun-like arc that melts solid steel in minutes.
Recycled steel alone isn't strong enough. We inject specific alloys to create a superior molecular structure for high-speed railway tracks.
In the laboratory, every batch is verified. We ensure the steel has the exact toughness required to withstand thousands of tons of pressure.
Once the chemistry is perfect, the liquid steel is tapped, beginning its journey toward its final, indestructible shape.
The molten steel now enters the caster to be solidified. It's being transformed into long, glowing square billets. Computer-controlled torches cut the red-hot steel with millimeter precision. Each of these billets contains the recycled DNA of over a dozen old cars.
Temperature control is critical. A difference of just a few degrees can change the steel's integrity.
Immense pressure begins to stretch the steel into a functional railway track. With every pass, the iconic profile of the high-strength railway track emerges, built to carry the weight of the nation.
Precision is our obsession. Every millimeter must meet international safety standards. Perfection is the only option.
From thousands of discarded vehicles to a single unbreakable line of steel. This is the ultimate victory for recycling.
Every rail is born with a digital ID, ensuring traceability from the factory to the track.
The cycle is complete. What was once discarded scrap is now the backbone of modern transportation.
To ensure absolute safety, we push our steel to the breaking point. This is the ultimate trial.
Beyond brute force, we examine every atom to ensure structural perfection.
From the furnace to the future, our steel moves the world. Stronger, straighter, and sustainable. This is how we rebuild the infrastructure of the future. The journey begins here. Precision from the factory floor translates to perfection on the tracks.
Every millimeter is measured. Every joint is secured. Safety is engineered into the very foundation, forging a seamless path, a bond that withstands the test of time and speed. Validated, certified, ready for the power of modern transportation.
The result is a flawless line of steel, ready to connect the world.
Across continents, over mountains, our steel carries the world into a new era.
Connecting people. Bridging nations.
And building a truly sustainable tomorrow for generations to come.
This is more than just steel. This is the pulse of a modern civilization.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.